Mark your calendars and charge your excitement because Apple's next big reveal is almost here. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. On Tuesday, September 9th, the tech giant will host its highly anticipated awe-dropping event where the spotlight will shine brightest on the long-rumored iPhone 17 series. And yes, there's a new model called iPhone 17 Air. At the heart of the launch are 4 iPhones, iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, and the all-new ultra-sleek iPhone 17 Air. Leaks suggest the Pro and Pro Max will feature bold new designs. Think Pixel-style camera bars, 3 powerful 48-megapixel sensors, a 24-megapixel front camera upgrade, and Apple's next-gen A19 Pro chip. RAM is reportedly jumping to 12 GB, and the build could shift from titanium to a lighter aluminum material, coming in eye-catching shades like navy blue and orange. But that's not all Apple's cooking up. The event is also expected to unveil 3 new smartwatches, including the Watch Ultra 3, potentially with a larger display and support for satellite texting. The Apple Watch SE 3 may debut with a refined design, though likely sticking with its aluminum body. Then there's the AirPods Pro 3, rumored to bring heart rate monitoring, a compact charging case, and a new H3 chip. These might be Apple's most feature-packed earbuds yet. Whether you're a loyal iPhone user, a wearable tech enthusiast, or just here for the surprise, awe-dropping is shaping up to be one of Apple's most ambitious showcases in years. You can catch the event live on September 9th on Apple's website, YouTube, or Apple TV. Are you ready for the new iPhones to drop? Tell us your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe to GadInsider. Hit the bell icon so you stay updated with more tech news.